Hello Adobe Express creators, want to work with multiple elements at once? Let's talk about how to add layers to your project for better control and organization. First, open Adobe Express and either start a new project or edit an existing one. To add a new element, text, image, shape, etc., go to the element section and select your desired item. Once the element is added, it automatically becomes a layer in the project. To adjust layers, tap on the element you want to move and then use the layer controls, usually an option to bring forward, send backward or move to front. You can also tap the layer icon to see all your layers where you can rearrange them in the order you prefer. To make elements overlap perfectly, use layers to adjust which elements appear in front or behind others. If elements are not showing up the way you want, double check the layer order. You may need to bring certain elements to the front or push them to the back. What's your favorite project to work on in Adobe Express? Drop a comment below. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.